Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the limited sound problem with Bluetooth on Huawei P30 Pro. First thing you want to do is go to Settings, then go to Search and search about phone. Then press the build number 7 times in a row, then it should say you are now a developer. Then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you want to go to Settings once again. But now, you need to search Developer Options. Then, scroll down until you get to the Bluetooth options. Then you want to press the setting that is called Bluetooth Absolute Volume. Then, turn on the option. After doing that, you need to restart your phone. Now, after you restart your phone, the Bluetooth volume problem should be fixed. Thank you for listening and have a great day.